Tara Suba National Voters Day 25th January 2026 ta My India My Board haiba theme da SDO Office Tamenglong Conference Hall da chataki. National Voters Day adu District Election Officer Tamenglong amadi Electoral Roll Registration Officer 53 Tamenglong ST Assembly Constituency na sinduna chataki. Forum aduda Chunglemang Kipgen MCS Additional District Election Officer Additional District Magistrate Tamenglong na Chief Guest oibiki. Chief Guest aduna Tamenglong Handicap Association ge member singda National Voters Day ge T-shirt amadi topi yenthoki. National Voters Day 2026 aduda D Maidinbui Sub-Divisional Officer Tamenglong amadi Deputy District Election Officer Tamenglong na National Voters Day pledge administer tobiki. Thoram aduda Sevio Daimei SDC Tamenglong Political Parties mayamgi representative sing Social Leader Tamenglong Handicap Association gi Leader sing amadi Tamenglong gi Paumi sing na saruk yabiki. Forum adugi Chief Guest Chunglenmang Kipgen MCS Additional District Election Officer na Chahi Tara Nipan Helaba Nahasing na Electoral Roll da Register Toduna Miyamgi Mihut Khanbada Suruk Yabiu Haina Haijaki. Electoral Roll Officials Singnasu Electoral Roll gi Maramda Awareness Toina Pangthoknabasu Haiki. 16 National Voters Day 2026 Chathakibagi Maramda Additional District Election Officer Chunlemang Kipgen Asumna Haiki.
Today in Tamenglong District Headquarters, we celebrated the National Voters Day 2026, and the SDO along with all the election machinery participated in the celebration. And National Voters Day is held on 25th of January every year. And this day we encourage new voters who have turned 18 years of age to participate in the election. So on this National Voters Day 2026, I myself as the additional DEO and the ADM of Tamenglong would like to urge the election machinery to update and sanitize the electoral roll of Tamenglong district so that we become prepared for the upcoming election. And by sanitizing, I mean the dead voters should be deleted from the electoral roll, and new young boys and girls who have turned 18, they should be enrolled in the electoral roll, and any shifting or any changes in the names and spellings of the electors should be reflected in the electoral roll so that the electoral roll becomes sanitized fully and updated.
Amul Falcon Tamenglongda Akhoi Pina Natraga Tamon Pui Haina Khangnaba Uchek Asibu Ngakpi Naba Paikhalakpa Tabak Amu Uina Short Film Amul Journey to Conservation Haiba January Tang Kuntruk 2026 Numita DFO Tamenglong Kharibam Hitler Singna Rainforest Club Tamenglongi Office ta release tokre. Thoram aduda Rainforest Club Tamenglongi founder Dr. Chambo Gonmei, retired director Health Service Joel Gangmei, Rainforest Officer Tamenglong, Kundrakpam Johnson Singh, Rainforest Officer Tamei Amadi, Rainforest Club Tamenglongi member Singna Saruk Yaki. Amul Journey to Conservation haiba short film adu Modikai Panmei, CEO Rainforest Club Tamenglong na direct toki aduga Tamenglong Forest Division Government of Manipur na producer oiki. Short film adu Precious Kamei na script ibiki aduga Casey Rathulung na narrator toki. Amul Falcon Conservation gi short film adu local community sing na conservator singbu mateng yamna pirakhiba sing adu highlight toki. Hello India Center Scheme gi makhada football training session 20 January 2026 tagi Mini Stadium Tamenglong headquarter da chathaba hokre. Football gi training session adu Tamenglong da ahanba oina Hello India makha da chathabani. Football training session adu district asida naha singna sana khonabada ahongba puraknaba amadi naha singbu sports ki discipline da pukning chingchinaba chathakibani. Ahanba oina chathariba training session aduda nupa macha kun aduga nupi macha tarana suruk yaduna certified coach na training PVD Hello India Center Scheme asina sanaroi singda sports kits mayam PVK Masigi training session asidagi khalakpa sanaroi singbu Targeted Olympic Podium Scheme TOPS ki damak amuk khangadori